Wow, I can't wait to tell you all about this new yarn. A Star is Born is a new collection of baby yarns from Lion Brand, and today I'd like to introduce you to the first member of its family, Oh Baby. Let me tell you why I'm so excited about Oh Baby. This yarn is 100% organic cotton. You heard that right, 100% certified organic. That's a luxury fiber. If you have sensitive skin or you're extra careful when choosing fibers for baby projects, this is the yarn for you. There's 180 yards in each of these balls. Cotton is machine washable, so this yarn is really easy to care for. And A Star is Born, Oh Baby, is a sport weight or number 2 yarn, which means it's pretty thin, of course, perfect for baby garments. But with this color palette, don't just limit yourself to baby projects. I love these colors, and because of its weight, you can use this for color work, for amigurumi, and beautiful warm weather adult garments and accessories. I can't wait to get this on my needles. While I'm swatching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I chose my 2 favorite colors in the palette to swatch. First up, take a look at the crochet one. This is just single crochet worked up on the recommended hook size. And I haven't blocked it yet, so it is curling a little bit. I love how delicate these little stitches are, but the piece feels really durable. You can truly make a keepsake with Oh Baby. And this is a swatch that I knit. I really like working with thin yarns, and I thought this was just delightful. It feels great against your skin. This swatch has a fantastic drape, so if you wanted to use this for a shawl or a garment for an adult, it will lay so nicely. I also have to point out the beautiful matte look that you get with these colors. So tell your friends, Lion Brand now has a 100% organic cotton yarn. You are going to want to get your hands on this one, and good news, it's available right now. A Star is Born, Oh Baby. I can't wait to see what you make with it. Happy stitching!